Hey guys, welcome to the third video in our Atlantis series, and today we're going to be looking at Aquaventure. So in the previous ones we looked at the reef and the cove and their shared pool space, the beaches around them, which is this big cove beach, and the Paradise Beach. Now we're going to be looking at something that is nearly double the size of both of them combined, which is this Aquaventure. So there are two big places I just want to point out that are just big watermarks of this park. One is right here, which is the Mayan Pyramid, which houses signature attractions like the Leap of Faith. And then right here, number 2, which is the Power Tower. So we're always going to use those as reference. This is kind of a 3D look at what we're kind of going to be looking at. Here you can't really see much, so we're going to start entering here. There's a lot of these little pools around Aquaventure, and some of them are connected to lazy rivers, some of them are kids areas, but you are coming to this hotel, to this resort to get wet. And part of the highlight, actually the highlight of this resort is its water park. So over here there's some kids slides. We're gonna rock around the side here. In the back you can see the Power Tower, which is home to a bunch of raft slides and one big drop slide called the Abyss. We'll be talking about that in a little bit. So circumnavigating the entire park is this lazy river right here. So I just walked into this random inlet thinking that I could walk somewhere, but no, this is a complete dead end. And that's one of the things this park does so well, is frustrating you, because there is very little signage. There should be something here saying there is a dead end, but no, there's not. So right here we are on the edge of Aquaventure, which is next to the Cove Hotel and the Reef Hotel, which is right behind it. Those are my previous 2 videos. And you can see these chairs should be full, but because of the virus, they are not. And this is spring break, so you'd expect them to be. One thing I love about the pools here is that one side of them is always this walk-in for kids and for families to be in shallow water. Okay, just to give some bearings, we were just right over there. We started the video over there. Now we are all the way here on the other side of this pool. And if we turn around, this leads us to the lazy river and to the Power Tower. Around Aquaventure, there are a bunch of these grill locations that just have typical food. It's very expensive here, and I think I explained that in the hotel videos. So just some bearings where we are. We just walked around 16, which is this big pool over here. We are now right here, right next to the Power Tower. There are also a lot of hills in this resort, because a lot of it navigates around the lazy river and on top of certain slides. So there's actually a slide that I was just talking about earlier called the Abyss that comes down from the Power Tower. It actually goes right underneath you and ends right here in this really cool aquarium. Unfortunately, I can't film on slides, so you'll just have to imagine it's like the Leap of Faith, but it is enclosed. So this is the Power Tower. Okay, so coming around to this side of the Power Tower, all the lines are on this side. We are now entering the original theme park before they added it. There's this nice kid area, a lot of fun. It's also at the base of the Royal Hotel, which is the main hotel here at Atlantis. Now that has its own pool complex, and we'll look at that in the next video. Here's another aerial view. Let's look at that. So we just started here, we walked this way, then we came around up towards the Power Tower. This shows you a little bit of the slides. There's 2 different levels of slides. The first level has these 2 slides in the back that come out right here. And the third one has a big drop right here, raft slide, and then the Abyss, which is right here in the front. We just came around here, looked at the kid area, and now we are right here at the base of the Mayan temple. So let's go there. So here in the side of the Mayan temple, there's this nice relaxing area with fountains, kind of a kiddie pool. So looking inside the temple itself, there's one ride that takes place in the temple, and that is called the Serpent Slide. It is a covered raft ride. It moves very slowly, very nice family ride, and I'll show you the end of that. So coming around this way, you can just see how crazy these paths are. No signs, doesn't lead you anywhere. This path might not be going where I want it to. It does show you the signature attraction of this park, which is the Leap of Faith right here, which is a perilous plunge. It's actually pretty deep. There you go. The entire attraction's over in about 6 seconds, and you go into a shark tank. So this is the tube that you go through, and right next to it is the tube for the serpent slide, which I just spoke about. So the serpent slide goes through the same tube, you just get to see a little bit more because you're not racing through. So here you'll see somebody else go down the Leap of Faith, and you'll see just how fast they go down. So she just did something that you're not supposed to do. You need to cross your legs, and I made that mistake my first time. If you don't cross your legs, you get a lot of water in your face. So right here, this square tube is the serpent slide, and people move through it a lot slower than they do the Leap of Faith. You can see people queuing up on the right side of the pyramid. There's also some slides down there that are pretty small, but the main one is the serpent slide on the inside, the Leap of Faith here, and then the Challenger on the back, and we'll look at that in a little bit. So I can't walk up the queues here with the camera. What I can show you up here is the queue for the Serpent Slide and the Jungle Slide. It's also to the Leap of Faith and the Challenger, those two bigger ones. And the weird thing about this park is there's two different types of inner tubes. There's orange and blue. They're the exact same inner tube, they're just different colors. And they want the orange ones to be just for the Mayan Temple attractions, and the blue ones just to be for the Lazy River and for the Power Tower. Doesn't make any sense why. That's what it is. Okay, so on the other side of this is actually the Royal Pools. So we are kind of at the tail end here of Aquaventure. If I find a map, I'll show you where we are. But there's the Power Tower over there, kind of reaching up over. Here's the Mayan Temple, there's the Royal Hotel. Here's some of those small slides I was telling you about coming into a pool. And these pools that are just all over, and it's really nice. So towards the back of the area, there's a lot of private cabanas, restrooms, and like I said earlier, there's a lot of these quick bite locations spread out throughout the entire resort. Burgers, fries. One price to mention is that burgers here cost $14, and they do not have fries included, or a drink. So if that gives you any sense of pricing, it's expensive. So here we are coming around the back of the Mayan Temple into the Challenger slide, which you can see people splashing into. This is a really fun one to challenge people on. So it actually times you to see how long you take. So 4.98, that was actually my fastest time. And it's the same height as the Leap of Faith. It's just a little bit less steep of an incline. It's pretty fun. So he just got 4.75, which is pretty good. So coming around this way, you can see the Lazy River, which, like I said, circumnavigates the park. Everything goes over bridges on top of it. So back here, there's a nice private, quiet pool that has some fountains, some waterfalls. Very serene. And the funny thing is it's right next to the pyramid and right next to the Power Tower. So we've kind of made a full circle here. This is a very hard park to get to understand, to get to feel your way around, and especially because it's right next to the pools that are at the Royal. It's all in one big place. It's hard to understand where you are at any given time, and there's so many paths. Like this one right here very well could be a dead end. Okay, so this is the entrance to the Power Tower slide. So we've basically made a circle. So this was fun. We looked at the Power Tower, the Mayan Temple, some select pools and slides, and there's a lot to look at here. Okay, so looking at a map to kind of show where we went. We started here, we went around the slide, we went towards the Power Tower, in front of the Mayan Temple. This is the Lazy River. We didn't walk all the way around it. Went by this pool over here, by the kid area, came back towards the Mayan Temple, and then came right back here to 16. So there's a lot of stuff here. Technically, this is all part of the Royal, all these lagoons and pools and aquariums. So we'll look at that in the next video. But thanks so much for joining me in this one, and I'll see you guys in the next one.